Jabroni doesn't blush.
Hi there guys, I'm Chris Boden and welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It is January 18th, 2012, 1300 hours, and we've got mail as usual, but before that, there's something I wanted to address. Now, a couple people have made comment that they were going to send one of these in. By the way, that's the Netherlands. That's the Netherlands. It's not the flag of France, and the reason why I thought it felt wrong is the French flag is vertical. The other one actually is the flag of Cornwall, so thank you, Megan. But a lot of people have made mention about this particular flag. The person who sent it in as a joke, thinking that I would feel ashamed about flying this flag or uncomfortable with it or something like that. For those of you that aren't quite aware of what the rainbow flag signifies, the rainbow flag is a symbol for gay rights and gay pride. Now, I am personally straight. I know, sorry boys. But I am a ferocious supporter of gay rights. And by gay rights I mean, you know, GLBT, the whole alphabet soup. Yes.
Can't forget Q.
What's Q?
Queer.
What the, shut up. You bother me, kid. Yeah. I have, God, half my roommates, half my friends are in some form or other sexually deviant, horrible people. And I love every one of them. We have, what I've learned over the past 24 hours since yesterday's episode aired was that I have a surprisingly huge number of gay members. And that's really awesome. I didn't know that. So, for you guys, I wore something today. This is a shirt that I got a while back, and it's been a personal favorite. It's too cold to wear just t-shirts, but yeah. It's there, and I'm with you guys. So, yeah, and I want to say thank you to all of our gay members. Enjoy the Girl Scout cookies. Alright, let's open some mail. We've got this, I know, this is absolutely Cat 5. Let's see who it's from, because it's a lot of Cat 5. It's from FedEx Ground. From Sewell Direct. I got nothing. Better if you cut on the line.
This person sent me an email that I don't have a bill.
This person, yeah, I remember somebody mentioning, but I don't. Man, we get. You guys gotta email me. You gotta send it as Facebook messages and stuff, and I'll try to remember. Okay, we got 2 boxes here. What color?
I know what color.
I'm glad you can tell. Oh, it's orange. It's catches on the thing. Okay, that's a box of orange. That's orange. Okay. Why orange?
I found Pink Cat 5 on Amazon.
Found what?
Pink Cat 5 on Amazon.
You're not using Pink Cat 5. Remember, Moose, I'm straight.
I put it on a wish list.
Thanks. Blue! Cool. I don't mind orange, I don't mind blue, but it is handy to have different colors because then we can use them for demarcation of different things. So, there. Cat 5. You have a laptop, sir.
Yes, you want some laptops.
Huh? Yes, I do. We have a wee little package. It's Balance. It's from Deng Hong Ying.
That's the eBay seller.
Yeah, I figured that one out. The only funny member name we have that's really funny is he.
He's a cool dude.
He's a cool dude. I like he. He deep. Double happiness. Dear customer, thank you for your purchase. Your pleasure to do business. Yeah. Balance. Okay, cool. Yep, these are the long ones. These are good. Excellent. Another Reeboks.
I think this is from Ben in Australia.
It's off the Amazon thing. Let's see what we got. It's pens.
Yep.
And sailboat fuel. Oh. And a carbon fiber composites digital thickness gauge. Yep, I'm guessing these are for office, and this is machine shop. Okay, here. And we've got another box of Cat 5 from Telrain Communications, and it's orange. What's with the orange? You can't get it in red. Ooh, we've got green. Green is really good. I like green. Excellent! Progress! That's a fair bit of Cat 5. That is just over a mile. There are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. That's 6,000 feet right there. And this is going to be gone in a couple weeks. All right, also, check my Facebook, get in the Geek Group forums. It's out there. There's a video made by Andrew Cunningham, was it? I think it was?
Yeah, Andy Root.
Andy Root. Okay, it's on Vimeo. He did a fan tribute video, and it's absolutely hilarious. And apparently I am Particle Man. Thank you for getting that song stuck in my head all day today. Appreciate that. I haven't heard that song in, God, since I was in college, a million years ago. All right, you guys have fun. More as it happens. We have a big rockin' out day here at the Geek Group. Hey there, guys. It's 16:09 hours, and we're doing bullet points for the Haas promo video. You'll see this out in a couple weeks or so. I don't know. All right. Keep your pants on. I'm wearing a lav. Does he have another mic? I thought we only had one lav.
We only have one left.
Okay, he's going to get the lav in the video.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. All right, let's go. Let's do it.
Well, we can't really stop shooting until his pants are buttoned.
Hey, what they're doing bad. That's great background. That's
Yeah.
you guys are in the background while I'm doing a promo for Haas. So it's, yeah.
Hushed voices.
I bet I can get in there like second knuckle. Wow.
Chris.
Man, I tell you, once I cross 30, the amount of hair that grows in my nose,
Why do I always forget?
it's coming off my head and going out my nose. I don't know what the
Don't look at me.
ears do. I don't even tell you what. Damn it. When I was a kid, I didn't have any goddamn hair coming
I'm
out.
going crazy again.
What?
I always forget where the headphone jack is.
Right here with a little headphone picture on the side of the camera.
Yeah, you know how short I am? Short enough that I can't fucking see that.
That's not my problem.
Audio check.
Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello campers and welcome live. This is Chris Boden here today with a Geek Group bringing you the love and sunshine
Go that
from
way.
the Sony Lens G. The Sony NX5 camera is an amazing piece of science and engineering that has allowed me to dramatically increase the size of my testicles. I got...
It's not the sound, I'm looking at the light.
Oh. The more lights you add, the uglier I get. So, I mean, really, it's
Yeah,
only
so
much
right
can be
now
done.
the background is so bright and you don't look right.
All right.
We could turn the top lights off. I mean, just saying.
I don't see the machines as well.
I really got to do less cocaine. My nose itches.
Take a step that way.
I can't, then I wouldn't be on my blocking. It's blocking right there is a mark on the floor. A piece of tape tells me I got to stand right here.
You have a mark in everything.
We're professionals. I'm not wearing any underwear.
Stay there.
Oh, sorry.
When you guys think it's all glamorous, being me, having my job, this is what it's really like. The part that you see is the one part of me doing my job. The 90% of the rest of the time is me standing around like an idiot, standing on a piece of tape, while a whole herd of really smart people do their jobs to make me not look like an
Usually
idiot.
there's not even a piece of tape. We just trust you to stand where you're supposed to.
They just say stand there. Today we're...
Swipe that side of your head. There. You wish.
I had hair that long. They won't let me have hair that
I've
long.
seen the pictures. They're
You should see me with a
terrifying.
mohawk.
That's
seen those pictures. They're terrifying.
We rely on donations from hundreds of sponsors. Haas is one of them. Haas helped us to start a machine shop with an original donation of 3 machines. What are you looking for here? Because I got basic bullet points.
Yeah. If you ever read the scripts or anything.
Totally did not read the script.
Yeah. The thing that I bothered to even write for your benefit.
Totally did not read the script.
I know you didn't.
Probably should have read the script, huh?
Probably should have.
You take your time. You do anything.
No, because someone
All
didn't read
right.
the script.
Are we ready to roll? Do you want to
Yes,
hit record?
just stepping from off camera.
Since its inception, the Geek Group has relied on hundreds of sponsors in order to fulfill our mission statement. Haas is one of our flagship sponsors. Haas provided the CNC machines that we use in our machine shop, everything from a basic lathe and mill to the giant sheetrock. It is because of this partnership that we're able to provide facilities for our members and students to order to come in and work on projects. It also allows us to make educational videos. We started out making a couple videos. It took off at a level that we never dreamed. We've now garnered a worldwide audience, and we have people using our videos in classrooms all over the world to make the subjects of CNC machining accessible to everyone with a sincere and passionate desire to learn. The Geek Group is very proud now to announce our partnership with Haas in the production of these videos. Not only will you be able to find them on our YouTube channels and the Geek Group website, you'll also be able to find them through the Haas website and all of their social media outlets. The Geek Group would like to thank Haas for their continued support as we help to make the subjects of CNC machining available to the entire world.
Since this is the end of the video, you don't need to walk back in. That part's fine. Just take it from when you start talking about the videos being shown around the world and all that, and going into them ending up on Haas's social media sites and that, and at the end somehow try to close it out with a see you next time and walk back off camera.
Okay, do you want me to pick up from the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this part's going to have a ton of B-roll in it anyway,
Okay,
the machines
cool.
and stuff.
Go. These videos are now available on websites all over the world. The videos that we've been producing here are now being used by people all over the world, in classrooms and private homes alike. The goal for this entire video series is to make the subjects of CNC machine tooling accessible to everyone with a sincere and passionate desire to learn. And to that end, we sincerely thank Haas for their continued support and partnership in the production of this entire series. So, stay tuned, enjoy the series as they come out. We'll be releasing new videos constantly. They'll go public on the Geek Group website, our YouTube, Facebook, and all of Haas's social media sites. Until then, we'll see you next time.
Walk off camera.
No, hang on. What started out as just a couple basic training videos for us here in the lab have been picked up by people around the world and are now used in classrooms, private homes, and industry worldwide in order to make these topics accessible to everybody who needs to know about them. Our library of CNC educational videos will be accessible not only through our own YouTube channel and the Geek Group website, but through Haas's social media sites as well. Their entire social media network will be carrying the Geek Group CNC video series. We'd like to sincerely thank Haas for their continued partnership and support in the production of this series, and we invite all of you to follow along as we keep making more. Until then, we'll see you next time.
Okay, come back for, there's the bullet point that we've been using the machines. They've evolved from just helping with projects to going to fabricate stuff for the shop and helping people like PJ.
Mark. What originally began as just a few machines used for here in our lab has encompassed being able to provide resources and skill sets to a much larger audience of people than we ever originally anticipated. These machines are still used by our members and staff for in-house projects. They're also used for helping other people with their research and development projects. We've been able to help several private companies around the Grand Rapids area to design and build things that have improved their manufacturing efficiency and even help create jobs here in Southwest Michigan, bringing them back to the United States, which is a major important point for our entire operations here. It's all about creating jobs. It's not just about creating parts. It's not just about creating parts. It's about creating jobs.
Okay, that's good. We're
Okay,
done.
thank you.
You can stop.
And that's what it really looks like.
You can stop recording, Jabber.
All right.
It's going to run anyway.
Okay.
So turn it, look at each other with whatever you're holding between you and not stay in the machine.
All right. Yeah, and then we'll set this one up as close-up?
Yes, and then we'll do an actual interview or whatever at the end.
All right. Everything, the big thing that's going to happen is it's about breaking the bit.
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to be looking right here through the whole thing. That's your focus. Because it's going to do cool things. There's going to be fire and smoke and cherry red and just death. Death!
No.
We're going to let the magic smoke out. Yeah, it's going to be cool.
That's the carbide.
This camera's not going to move at all. I'm going to hold the mic. Brony will stay behind this camera to make sure you guys don't wander off shot, and then I'll do close-ups and change it as needed.
Cool.
Give me the...
All right. So I'm hanging out here with my very good friend Rick from ISCAR, and we're breaking shit today.
Yes, we are.
This is so cool.
What we're going to do, I did the thing last time on the speed and feed and why we have RPM and feed rate and all this stuff like that. Well, it's all talk. Seeing's believing. So what we're going to do, we're going to look for the optimum speed and feed. So I'm going to start off with not optimum.
Okay.
All right, and this end mill, this brand new fancy dancy high dollar.
This is not a cheap end mill.
No.
This isn't like something out of China or something.
No.
This is a brand new ISCAR end mill.
Yes, and you can give it last rights now.
Okay.
Because it's not long for this world.
Now, how much one of these cost?
It's about $80.
Okay.
Right.
And we're gonna break 4 or 5 of these today.
Not 4 or 5, Ed. No, not that many.
How many do we get to break?
2 for sure.
2 for sure.
2 for sure. Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna get violent.
All right. So I'm gonna show you improper.
Okay.
You know, what's wrong and why, and then you can see the end result. And then we're going to narrow down the window, and then you can see when you use them right, what the difference is. So
this could be so cool.
yeah, I've wanted to do this for a while.
Okay.
And you've given me the facility to do
What we're here for, to give you the facility to come and break shit. That's what we do. Everybody does.
Right.
You ought to see Corey, man. He's breaking shit every day, man.
Cool.
Now, you had some people you wanted to thank.
Daleen Machine. David Daleen, I made a call on Sunday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I need some help. And he said, sure. So we opened up a shop on a Sunday, went in the back, dug up some material, sawed it off for me. He even sanded the edges so I didn't cut my delicate little fingers.
What is the material we're cutting today?
8620.
Gear steel.
Gear steel, yep.
Awesome.
Yep. And so, Dave, thanks.
Well, cool. And thank you, Dave. Thank you, ISCAR. Thank you, Ewan.
Ewan? No, they didn't have anything to do with it.
They didn't have anything in this? Well, thank you anyway. They help us out on all kinds of
Right.
stuff. So.
But you got a nifty t-shirt.
Yeah, we got the t-shirts, guys. That's
All
cool.
right.
What else? What's next?
Nothing. I'm going to write a simple little program. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to alter this one, and this one's going to go around some circles. We're going to have a little air time, but that's okay. And then we're just going to melt it down and break it, and that's that.
Cool.
Okay?
Now, how are you doing this? Is this like we're transitioning through angular velocity, or you're actually speeding up, or?
No, what I'm just going to do a wrong RPM at a wrong feed rate.
Okay.
And the end result is going to be catastrophic.
Okay, I didn't know if you were going to start really, really slow and work up to really, really high, or
no, I'm going to go very low RPM, very high feed rate.
Oh God!
So we're going to
break the bit.
We're going to break it. We're going to suppress the physical strength of the tool.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to go very high RPM at a very slow feed rate. It's going to generate a bunch of heat. The heat's supposed to go on the chip. Well, there's going to be no chip.
Okay.
All right.
So
There's going to be
melt
slivers. All right. And hopefully on this machine I can make this candy apple red.
That's going to be cool.
Right. And then it'll spark, and then
I know it can be done because I've done that on this machine. Right. Just you're doing it on purpose.
Right. And then we're going to take and we'll put in another piece of stock, and then we're going to run the machine to its capacity, as fast and as much power as this machine has.
So we're gonna get to see that little load graph thing.
Oh yeah, it'll be wide open.
That's going to be cool.
Right.
I would like to see that. I've seen you do that on this machine with a couple other things every now and then, but to watch you just...
I was going to do a larger one, but there's no sense in killing the machine for no reason.
Don't break my mill.
I'm not going to break your mill. These are very durable, very well-made machines.
I'm pretty sure that there's no way you can break this machine at that level just by typing there.
You'd be surprised what people...
No, you can destroy tooling, absolutely. But I'm pretty sure you can't kill the machine.
I have seen a Haas lathe where they had a programming oopsie, and they dropped the turret in the chip pan.
How the hell do you do that?
You run it into the chuck.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then the ball screw block falls off, shear the bolts and the dowel pins. Oh yeah.
See, I figured the absolute worst you could do to this machine would be to grind off the 4th axis, because that's in harm's way.
That can hit
This can hit here?
Yeah.
It can. I didn't know it could go all the way
Yeah,
down.
well, you want to bore holes in the table?
Yeah.
Well, I knew you could drill holes in the table, but I didn't know you could run the spindle into the table. I
don't know how close this one will go. Usually they stop about 4 or so
Yeah, that's what I
inches away.
figured.
Yeah.
But you don't generally run the spindle without a tool, and if you have a tool in it,
You're going to hit something
Right.
look it up
bad.
on YouTube. I
Yeah?
decided
I've
to
seen
see the cautionary
CNC
tales.
collisions.
All right, now I need some help getting that program I did into the machine.
Do you
USB, that's easy.
Yeah, well,
yeah.
I've got my...
Brony, you need to move.
No, he's good. I got it.
What?
You were talking. Just point your camera at you. Because the whole internet right now is like, she's spectacular. Oh, God. Look at even Jabroni blushed on that one.
Jabroni doesn't blush.
That's my cold open. Right there. That's the cold open. Boom. Done. Thank you. Oh, you're getting so much fan mail now.
All you need to
You are apparently quite the sex icon.
Who's that?
Jabroni.
Really?
He is the stud daddy.
You're also quite popular with dudes.
Yeah, you're terrifyingly popular with dudes.
Always have been.
Dudes. Guys.
Dudes,
Yes.
all right. I thought that
Yes.
was... I thought that
With the wine chromosome, those of us, yes.
Okay, got it.
We're gonna make a video now, we'll be back.
Seed max feed.
Why we can't have nice things?
Hey Rick!
Yeah?
You melted metal to the camera.
Really?
This is cool. Here, I'll just take the camera right out. Check it out.
Oh, it's stuck, Helen. Yep.
Oh no! It's not melted on.
Magnet.
The switch is, to make it waterproof, the switch is magnetic. That's
Oh.
just a moving magnet on top.
Oh, okay.
You want to clean those off. You want to, like, don't touch those with your fingers because you'll put them in your skin. You want to get that cleaned off at the top of there.
You
Really,
get
really
your
good.
daily dose of iron.
Yeah. And a really good
magnet
infection.
would do it, though.
Yeah, a bigger magnet will do it. This is your life.
These are pretty.
This is my life.
They didn't have this in college. Look at this. This is, now Rick, tell the blog viewers what we got here.
We've got chips that are totally the wrong color.
Yeah,
Right.
this is not hot enough.
That's not hot enough.
Now this is a perfect chip where it's half blue,
yeah,
half
when you got a
silver.
couple colors in
Yep.
it, yes, that's...
Two-color chip.
Two-color chip is beauteous.
And now we've got all one-color chip
All
over
one,
here.
right.
And then we go to where they're not even shiny anymore.
Yeah.
These are like matte chips. Like some are still shiny, but most of those are just this matte blue. Now what happened?
Well, what happened? I didn't have enough RPM to get to what I wanted to do. I couldn't generate enough heat.
He did make fire.
I didn't make
In his defense, he did.
We can do that on Survivor. Make fire. Just take one of these with us when we get off the boat.
Oh, dude, if you've got a milling machine on the island, you're never getting voted off. You're cool. How's it look?
There's nothing wrong. Wipe it off, put it back in the box. Ed, I didn't hurt this one.
Not yet.
Not yet.
We're gonna.
Well, hopefully.
So we couldn't do it with the TM1. We could not break, or we couldn't
melt it.
with the TM1. And
Right.
you tried. Like, you gave it the worst case scenario and
Scenario.
then started making shit up to go even worse.
Right, maybe if I had a larger diameter end mill where I could get more surface footage, we could do that. But
Go get one of them big expensive ones. Let's put an inch end mill in there. That'll be fun.
it's $700.
I'm okay with that.
Ed?
It's not my $700.
Ed's.
It's Ed's. Ed, come on, be a sport. It'll be a fun time.
Yeah.
Let's break stuff for Ed.
No. And he knows I can do it. I try not to, but all right. Let's we'll just get another one because I'll use this one for the proper stuff, the proper feed, and make the machine go, make it dance.
Okay.
Yep.
Do you want to do that while we're set up here?
Yeah, it only takes a second.
Okay.
I'm still, we're good for height and all that stuff.
Yeah.
That's how tiny.
Cool. All right, we're going to stay set up here just for a second before we start totally moving cameras because we're going to do the best case. We're going to take a nice new piece of metal and we're going to eat as much metal as we can, as fast as we can, and it's going to be awesome. All right.
Do we have a paintbrush?
Yeah, we got paintbrushes.
Paintbrush right here.
Moose, chip brush. Huh?
Could have come to that conclusion before we started moving lights.
Think of it, just so you're like, hey, we're already set up, we got our offsets and everything, this is a good time to do it. Because we got to we're going to grab the other vise off the thing, we're going to set up for the other machine, we got to move everything, so we might as well do what we can.
Can I suggest we do everything we're going to do on the mills,
we're doing
then
it.
we move
We're
to the
doing it.
sheet.
We're doing it right now. It's all Rick's fault.
Thank you.
It's totally Rick's fault. Ed, it's all Rick's fault, so you know.
He knows that too.
Who's Ed?
Ed's my boss.
Ed's your boss.
Okay.
All right, so we've got a clean piece of metal.
Yep.
And this is going to be the horsepower demo. Just best case scenario,
best
the
case
absolute.
scenario. So I took guesstimates on what I think it'll do, and then we're going to fine tune it on the machine, and then I can lock those numbers in. And if you have a machine in your shop, you'll know what each machine's capable of. But you need to find the optimum for that machine. So once you find the optimum, then you'll know every time this is what I can pull with that particular machine.
Okay.
Because you may have two of these side by side, and they may be a skosh different for some reason.
Okay.
You know, so that's what we're going to do.
So we're going to run this machine for the first time to 100% of its capacity.
Yes.
This is going to be cool.
Okay.
All right, let's make some chips.
All right, here we go. Wish me luck.
That's fast. What's your step over going to be?
Step over is going to be 10% of the inlet.
Okay.
That's pretty good. That's 94%. This won't be a good one. It's not a full cut. We're getting in there. And the vise isn't square either. So this will be... All right. When we get into a full cut, this will morph down.
So cool. You can smell it. That is so cool. That's just spitting chips. Now the chips are still, like, we're not making two-color chips.
Right, well, we're limited on RPM and feed rate on the machine.
Okay.
So,
can it do more?
No.
That's everything the machine has. That's 101% load.
That's pretty good guessing right out of the box.
105. Can we take that higher?
Yes.
What'll happen?
Eventually it will go into,
the machine will just say no?
The machine will say no.
Okay.
And it's not my machine.
Okay.
All right.
Don't break the machine, but do as much as you can. I want to see.
Well, I'll run them to 100%. They should run 100%, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay.
And we're getting down there. We're going to come into full contact. Get a little bit here.
Now there's like no load up here at all. These are really trivial.
Right. That's the idea. So we're making our power with the spindle. All right. We're getting into 3D stuff.
Okay,
2D
so
stuff now.
it's all spindle load that we're doing
right
at this point. Okay. Oh, hey, now we're doing stuff.
Yeah, now we're going to have full engagement the whole time.
That's making chips. That is so cool. What's the temperature?
255.
So it's perfectly happy doing that.
Yeah.
What's your depth of cut? Like the depth?
750,000.
Wow.
This is Mastercam's dynamic tool path.
Okay.
And it's, like I said, you can't go fast until you're smooth. As any road racer,
yeah,
you have to be smooth, and that's what this is. It's not even chaos. It's magical on how fast and smooth this is. It totally protects the tool. You get 100% utilization. Look at the spindle load.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Watch every cut into it. You know, it doesn't jam it in the corners. We're in here picking it away, and it doesn't jam. And it maintains, you know, it maintains tool path and chip load. It's a wonderful thing.
It's amazing to watch. I've never seen this kind of stuff before.
On the outside, right knee height. Otherwise, it's going here on my fault.
You're not gonna clean off the top?
No.
Oh man.
I can clean off something else.
That's pretty.
Oop, that's warm. We couldn't get it going fast enough to get the heat into it.
What's our temperature?
Yeah, 115.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Our the tool should be, you know, like a 100-watt light bulb. Yeah, we're about there. If I had more feed rate in the machine, if I had more horsepower, I could have. If I had more horsepower, I could have used more feed rate.
Okay.
All right, but we're limited on this machine.
But what we just saw is everything this has for nominal load.
Nominal load.
It's got more power. It could do that, but this is 3 shifts, 24/7.
Yep, you want to keep making these.
It'll do this for 20 years and be totally cool.
Yeah, totally cool. Now, if you want to run them up, they have duty cycle. You can run them like 150% for so many minutes.
Okay.
And then after that point, then the machine will overheat and shut off.
Okay.
So I don't like running machines like that.
Okay.
You can.
No. It's an expensive machine, and I don't want to have to get another one. That and we got a lot of videos we got to make, and Haas would yell at me.
Right.
I try not to make them angry.
Will these be good for Miss Moose?
Yeah, those are safe. Those are nice big fat chips.
Yep.
High RPM, low feed rate. I thought that was...
Well, I'm playing here. Why did that just shut off? I didn't do shit.
Oh, you crossed the beam. There's an invisible beam right here.
Oh,
if you cross the beam, you make it angry.
Okay.
Which is weird because the camera was just right up.
Oh, I want to see what this thing will do.
You need to be careful with your coat and shit.
I want to see what this thing will do.
All right.
So I really want to.
It'll do a lot.
Well, let's see.
If you do that, you're gonna break a bit.
What?
What you've been doing there.
Well, it jumps a lot. I just want to see it in the cut. See if how it responds to a decent cut. There we go.
Wow. What's your depth of cut?
700.
No, you're in.
We're feeding this at 500 inches a minute, 13,600 RPM.
Okay, depth of cut?
750 thousandths.
No, not this depth of cut. This depth. Of cut.
I'm only stepping over 5% because it's a horse instead of 10% like we did on that one.
Okay.
I stepped over less.
Wow. That's really impressive. It's also pretty cool that you're shooting chips all the way back here.
And we're only pulling 75% spindle load, which is good.
I'm very impressed that that machine will even do that, much less do it happily.
Yeah, it is.
That's
It's actually doing a better job than that one. So this is the same program.
you're making the star?
Yeah. And I'm moving.
Yeah, it's spitting chips all the way back to me, and it's spitting needles too.
There we go.
Ah!
We're getting a lot of the jumping from the machine.
Yeah. Wow! I think you may have set a new distance record for how far you can throw a chip. Rick is now shooting needles all over the room. I have to stand back this far or they hit me.
Alright, 700 inches per minute at 17,000 RPM.
More RPM! You'll probably be fine, don't worry. Oh yeah, you're rolling. Roll.
It doesn't go any faster. That's it, 24,000.
24,000 RPM, 700 inches per minute. 1,000 inches per minute.
That's as fast as it goes.
You're cutting steel at 1,000 inches per minute.
It ain't getting to 1,000 in that little distance.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't have time to speed up that fast, but that's cranked out on the machine.
Right.
And you're shooting chips 10 feet across the room. It's more, oh yeah, wow, look at the floor. He's hitting the pallet rack? This is madness. Rick, you have just made one hell of a mess.
Thank you.
Hey Rick,
What?
you didn't burn up the bit.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
Let's see how that looks.
Look at the jumping in the machine.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And the part's actually cooler than the other one.
You're asking a lot of the machine right now. Look at the floor. There's chips completely covering this area,
Yep.
and they were bouncing off the pallet racks.
Sweet.
That's,
They're going to be in the keyboards.
oh yeah, they're everywhere. That's gonna suck for months. Thanks.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. You got
My gift.
You got
A gift
some
from my
needles
people.
on you here.
All right.
These are evil little chips too.
Yep. All right.
Man, you find one of those the wrong way.
Oh yeah. Sit on that one. Whew.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That was cool. So we know that this is good potential. I like this, and it didn't jump so much. It's not meant for this stuff, but
No, it's I mean, you're way beyond what this machine was designed for.
well, actually, for, it's supposed to be a router. I don't know about the jumping, and maybe did they level it out here?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's just a jumping machine.
it's a jumping machine.
Well, you've got
Nature of
so
the beast.
much stuff moving,
Right.
and you're trying to do it so fast.
Well, they built it to do large sweeping things,
Right.
not tiny
Well,
sharp
right.
things.
Yeah.
What we need is Haas. What we need now, we see how fast we go. We get all this mass. We move in the X. We move in the Y. The table needs to move in the Z. The turret needs to move in the X and the Y and the Z. So we can machine like this. So when you take and you turn that servo to make that heavy table with a 900-pound block of steel on it, you counteract both ways. So 6 inches in the Z, it's 3 inches both ways. In the Y, so we can head on. So I can actually run the tools as fast as they need to go. We have the software, we have the tools. Right now the machines are lacking, and I think that would be the way to do it, and you're smart enough to do it. Here, you can work on this.
Uh-huh.
All right, you want to keep this program if you want to make some more? Because I'll leave all this here with you.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay, so let's start another program, or modify one that we have. We're just going to manually write something real quick.
All right.
Yeah, that's kind of groomy.
Yeah, I have a great program here to modify.
Okay, perfect. All right, do the, what is this, tool 4?
5.
All right, tool 5. We'll flip it over so it's pretty.
I don't even remember what this
All right,
program was
tool
from.
5, height offset 5, go, P43 and all that stuff, and let's go down to a Z minus 700. Let's go, we got this as 0, so let's go 2 inches. We'll go X minus 2 inches and Y plus 2.3. All right, cool. All right, M3. We'll change it. We put this in the same line. Let's go S. We had a problem at 4,000, right? We couldn't get it 4. Let's go 8. Sound good?
Yep.
All right, G1, height offset. Let's go Z minus 0.7. 700,000 deep. We're not going to be tapping. So then we're going to go G1 Y minus 2.3 alter, and we'll give it a feed rate of 10.
Oh God!
8,000 RPMs. Okay, and then
10 inches per minute.
Yeah, and we'll start at 8. Well, I slowed it down to like 3 over there, trying to get some heat. All right, so let's see. And this is G55 on the last one?
This is G54.
All right. G54, G90, you should put all these in the same line.
I have no idea what program this was. I don't recall actually writing it.
Okay.
So.
P5, M6. Insert. All right, let's see where we're at. Memory. Let's check it first. Alarm, P and H not matched. P5, H5. Oh, there's no G43. Edit. Nope, edit. G43, insert. G43, H5. Oh, right there. It's supposed to be a GO. Make it a G1.
Oh, that would do it, wouldn't
yeah.
it?
And we'll give it a feed rate here, F50. Insert. See what it looks like. No alarms. Why are you alarming? Over treble.
Oh, the Z can't go up that high because we're pushing it pretty hard.
So we'll go Z.1. Let's see how that works. Okay, cool. We just made a line. That's correct. Mundo. 2.3 minus 2.3, 2 inches. That should be a hell of a cut. Okay, memory. Where are we going? X minus 2. X0, Y0, and block. Nope, cancel. Come on. Okay, close. Dude, which way is X on this thing? Is X this way or this way?
X, Y.
Well, that's supposed to be XY0 right there. Looks like we're a little off.
Well, I think where you put the part and where I put the part were different.
Oh, you brought it this way more?
And we could just reset this
No.
0.
You go.
I'm just used to lining it up to the edge of the vise out of habit.
The edge of the vise?
I think so.
That makes sense. Okay.
That looks a lot more better there.
All right. My apologies.
It's a lot more better.
X minus. X plus. Meta Dutch.
What?
Meta Dutch.
Meta Dutch?
Because Dutch angle. Never mind.
See, that's the real fat material.
Yeah, it's what them boys over in D Block love. Jabroni the love puppy. Sex god of D Block. Are we doing anything yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where we have our distance to go. Position. Distance to go 172 thousandths. You got it. Alright, now we're going to feed it 10 inches a minute. Y minus. That's going to hurt. That just gets it started.
Okay, you want to shoot the thing now?
Yeah. Well, we'll step it over. That's only 23% spindle load. I'm only stepping over a little bit, so we're good. So I'll step it over like 100 thou.
Making bad smells. Yeah, but the sheet router shouldn't smell like an angle grinder. You're making bad smells over here.
Oh, it's going. Good enough. Okay,
right.
So now let's get the temperature gun, edit, set it 2 inches. Let's take 200 thou off, so we'll go X 1.8, alter. 200 thousandths depth of cut, so that's over half the diamond. Well, we got our melter checker here. Take single block off.
All right, we got to shoot the piece before you start cutting.
All right.
Get ready, and then stop. All right, you good?
Yep.
All right, I'll hit record. Recording on contour. I'll be back. That was the most horrible fucking sound in the world! Dude! You actually made a sound that made all the like sawdust fall out of the machine. There was so much chattering. No, it's not happy. If a sheet router could make the sound of rectal prolapse, you just did that. That was, oh my God, bad. I may have peed a little. And he's gonna do it again. Rick, stop. Can we do it on
The other side?
I want to be able to see the bit.
All right.
Because that's more important than getting the chips out of the way. Let's do this on this side so we can see the bit.
I can go this way and throw the chips that way.
Yeah, do that. Do it on the front. That's so wrong. It's such a horrible sound. How does anybody do that with a tool? I mean, you should know the minute it starts making that sound, something very bad is happening. You just made that horrible sound and it still didn't melt the tool down?
No.
Well, then how the hell has anybody ever melted down an ISCAR tool?
I do it on a regular basis.
You just ground that up to 20,000 RPM at 10 inches per minute.
Right. So,
and it didn't, it's fine?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
Go slower. Go 1 inch per minute.
I think I'll just rub it off. Wow. Tom is in charge of solid carbide end mills for all of this car for all of America.
Okay.
Tom, what's the issue here?
Tom is laughing his ass off right now.
No.
Zoom out a little bit. Alright. It didn't even make chips, that made steel dust. That's good to breathe.
Alright, so let's go, do what? Line
We're making the noise like this, so we're getting a crowd. It's Triangle Man!
Hi. That was a
Have
really
you seen
cool
the video yet? Yeah, that was neat. You're Triangle Man.
Truly impressed by that.
Well, cool.
And it was made in Windows Movie Maker, so.
Really? How do you know?
It says in the comment.
Oh, okay.
It says, made Windows Movie Maker, which means I'm a terrible person and I should get off the internet.
He's a hack.
Okay, pretty much.
And you're Person Man.
You are.
Did you see it yet?
That part was really
I don't even know what you're referencing.
No? Alright, well, Corey will show it to you. There's somebody made a video. They used a They Might Be a Giant song. It's a fan video. I think it's Andrew Cunningham, but I could be wrong. But he made a video. It's like a music
Wait,
video.
The artist? Or the person?
The person. The music artist is They Might Be Giants. It's Particle Man. Don't worry, it'll be stuck in your head. Tomorrow you're going to be sitting down in your basement going, Particle man, particle man, particle man, triangle man. Yeah, it'll be in your head all day. Person man. Huh?
He'll be looking for more mice. He'll be
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah, we'll try it again.
All right. Everybody rolling?
Never stop.
All right, you may want to, it's going to be on the front now. It's going to happen out here.
Right.
Okay.
Zoom in for that, Jabroni.
Yeah, Jabroni is zoomed in. Fuck!
Vibration broke it.
Anybody got any extra holes in them? Okay, you
Vibration broke it. We didn't melt it down.
Okay, do you want to try it again?
Not touch it.
I would not touch the 600 degree drill bit. No, where is it?
Right here.
Right here. Where is right here? Right. Okay. End mill. Here, move. I don't want to cook that cord. Another 2-piece. You lost a tooth too. Damn chips are magnetic. Ah! Look at this. They're all magnetic. Rick!
The pieces are magnetic?
The pieces, my Gerber is not magnetic. My Gerber is not magnetic.
I don't know why that happens. Tell me.
It has to do with heat. It has to do with some really cool, it's fields, man. It's all about fields. But look at that. All the chips are magnetic.
Okay.
Like, they're not like super strong magnets, but I mean, they're definitely magnetic. You have made 100,000 little itty bitty magnets today.
Sweet. So I can hold the kid's drawing from kindergarten up in the refrigerator with this?
No, they're not that strong.
No.
But these may stick to the fridge, though.
Okay.
That's a monumental pain in the ass is what that is. No, that off my Gerber. That's so cool. It's still hot.
Imagine that.
Shut up, asshole.
Glowing red when it got off there.
It was glowing red when it shut off. Cool. A dull red, but not red enough.
It broke through the vibration.
Right.
Yes.
Set that on a block of aluminum there.
Right.
What's our feeds and speeds?
10 inches a minute, 15,000 RPM. I'm only stepping over 100 thou this time.
Those chips are black coming off of there.
All right, let's try that again.
All right. What'd you change?
Nothing. I just want to do it again and get into the cut here.
What do you got? This is hilarious. We've done every possible thing you can think of to make a machine very, very angry. We cannot. You're an asshole. We cannot burn up this bit. We've shattered one. Just exploded a bit. But that was vibration. We have not thermaled a bit yet.
All right, go a little deep on the step over.
Oh. What do you got?
Oh, I think I got enough. You're going to give me a camera and I'm going to go someplace and melt one down. 15,000. I've got to be less than 2/10 of tooth. So, I don't know. I thought for sure I was going to glow this thing.
We've done it. We've made them do it accidentally.
I've never made an ISCAR bit glow.
Okay, we've done it with cheap Chinese one. You want to put a cheap Chinese bit in it?
Sure.
Because let's give it a shot.
All right.
Give me a cheap 3/8, like the nastiest, mankiest. What do you got? Oh, here, we'll just let Rick pick. Here. Look at that. There's some quality stuff there. These are things, they say they're tin plated, and I think they actually mean that.
Tin, as in tin?
Yeah,
tin?
as in tin.
That 3/8. That's high speed. These are high speed. That one's carbide.
Let's do it with a high speed one.
That's one of mine that's carbide that somebody ran in aluminum.
Yep. That's where we learn feeds and speeds.
Moose. Oh, you bitch slapper for stuff like that?
No, she hits back, dude.
No. No, all these are high speed.
You bitch slapper. I'll stand back and hold a camera because that's going to be fun to watch.
There's Rick getting off the bleed and missing a tooth. Hang on, there's a tooth.
You'll lose an eye.
All right, this isn't working.
That's what I get for following your tooling advice, actually.
Wait a minute. Since when did I say run a CF in aluminum?
Not you. Him.
Oh, might have been me. Remember that video we did on feeds and speeds, and I was like, hey, all the numbers are in this video, and I showed her the video?
Yeah.
You didn't mention it, you know, there's different types of tools.
For aluminum, right.
Yeah,
those are really highly polished.
Yeah, that is not.
No, that's not. You don't
hey! What if we do this in a piece of aluminum?
We can do this, or
would it work better?
No.
Okay.
Because the aluminum will suck up more heat.
That's okay. It's worth a shot. Oh, what do you got? Oh, hey, these are quality.
All high speed.
So what?
No. All we'll do is just melt it down. This is an SGS.
We're trying to melt it down.
But it's high speed. This isn't carbide.
Okay.
You just want to see one glow red?
That's the idea. We want to melt down an end mill.
All right.
We couldn't do it with an ISCAR tool. Let's do it with the cheapest, shittiest tool we got. I know they're not carbide. They're high-speed steel, which is way shittier than carbide.
Yeah, but this is.
I know it's apples and oranges.
Right.
It's not fair, but we couldn't do it.
All right. Well, this is
the machine would not. The ISCAR bit could not be beaten on our machine.
All right.
You could do it with a bigger machine. If you want to get us bigger machines donated, I'm totally okay with that.
Gene?
Yeah, Gene, if you want to send us some bigger machines, we don't mind. But we can't do it with the machines we have. We've used the machines to 100% of their capacity.
All right.
I watched you put that spindle on that machine, and that's stronger than this. That's 10 times stronger than this. And I watched you run that machine at 100% capacity, and it just sang.
All right.
This thing sounds like Satan's dumpster.
You got another, let's change this up, pull this one out, we'll pull this one in, and we'll go.
Do it, do it, do it.
So, let me get on my little handy cam.
Rick, in the great words of Ben Harper, let's burn one down.
Okay.
That is drier than a popcorn fart you got there, boy.
Yeah, let's step it over some more and really get the program line on this 1.35.
A little bit of chatter there, Rick.
Yeah, we're gonna put some more load on it. I smell wood.
Put some stank on it. Yeah, it's because you're knocking all the sawdust out of the machine.
Did you see the end of
Step back, Rick.
Step back, Rick.
We don't want to get any holes in you. That and you're blocking the shot. Oh, that was tasty.
You stole it.
Yeah, you think?
We don't have any horsepower at that RPM. Alright, so let's go 6,000.
Let's go 20,000.
Let's go 6,000. Easy.
20!
Easy.
Ah! Burn it! Kill it with fire! More speed! Yeah! Shit! Yeah, reach down there and grab that.
Yeah, I'll get right on that. Lay it on the floor and 350 degrees. Shit. It's down there next to the floor.
It's down there next to the floor. Huh?
Other far side of the machine.
Oh shit! All right, hang on. Yeah, you drop it on the floor. E-lock the machine. E-stop the machine. Thank you. I gotta go inside the danger zone. Danger zone. Oh wow. Yeah, let me see if I can focus on that.
You're supposed to do that in carbide. That's what we're trying to do.
It looks like somebody welded on the end of it.
Melted.
Yeah, it melted the tool. Here, all right. Here, take that. We'll shoot our closer. All right, so final results. Here we are. You got to see this. Where to set it? Okay. Here is melted down. We got that. We broke that bit with vibration. We broke that bit just by breaking bits. That was feeds and speeds. And here's the two ends, which are now going to make cracking good electrodes in the high voltage lab. I'm going to use these for something. I'm going to show you what you can do with your junk broken end mills.
Okay. It's $13 a pound.
Yeah, it costs more than that to buy it though. So
right.
Yeah. We use tungsten carbide for spark caps.
Okay.
So that'll be a thing. All right. So it's 2,000 hours, and pretty much Steve and I are the only people left in the building. Everybody else has gone home. We got Cat 5. We got a mile of Cat 5 in today.
Wonderful. Actually,
3 orange, 2 blues, and a green.
And a green.
And a green.
Green.
Phones.
Phones. Ah, that'll be nice to have something to differentiate them.
Yep. Well, I was thinking cameras, Ethernet, phone.
There we go.
Hey! So, yeah. And we've still got plenty of outdoor mounts.
We have more mounts.
Ready to rock.
We need more lift time now.
I'm going to work on that. I'm going to call them tomorrow. I got to get a video out for them, and I think if we put out a really good piece of video for them, they'll be happy, and they might give us an extra week. Because we've got the promo for them and the demo video that you shot.
Yeah, we should probably get more demo video in time on that.
Okay.
Because that was just a quick overview of controls. That wasn't actually showing what...
Do you want to shoot a real one tomorrow?
Time permitting, yes. I won't be here till about 5 o'clock. So.
Okay, well, let's see if we can get set up at 5 and just take an hour and shoot a real demo video on it.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
I'm a lot more comfortable on the controls of that particular lift now than I was when we went over it, because I was right when it...
Yep. Now you've had a lot of time driving it. So.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys have fun. That's the day. I'm Chris Boden. That's Steve, and you're not. And we will see you next time. See you.